In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an Amazon gift card to their email. First, open your browser and go to www.amazon.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Amazon account you want to use for the purchase. If you shop on a regional Amazon site, the steps are the same, but the prices will show in your local currency. Next, use the search bar at the top of the page and type Amazon e-gift card. Press Enter, and you'll see a variety of digital gift card options. Look for the standard Amazon e-gift card option. This is the one that sends instantly or on a scheduled date by email, so there's no shipping and nothing physical to print. Select the gift card to open its product page. Here you'll usually see choices for designs or occasions. Pick any design you like. It doesn't affect the value, just the look of the email your recipient will receive. Now enter the amount you want to send. You can choose a preset value or type a custom amount within the allowed range. Think about what the recipient might use it for and choose a total that fits your budget. Remember, Amazon gift cards typically never expire in many regions, so it's okay to choose an amount they can use over time. Enter the recipient's email address carefully. This is where the gift card will be delivered, so double-check for typos. If you want a record for yourself, you can also add your own email to get a confirmation, but the main delivery goes to the recipient address you enter here. Add a gift message to make it personal. Keep it short, friendly, and clear, so they know who it's from and what the occasion is. You can also enter your name in the From field so it shows in the email. Adjust the delivery date. If you want it to arrive right away, leave it set to today. If you're planning ahead for a birthday or holiday, pick a specific date. Amazon will queue it and deliver it on that day, usually in the recipient's time zone. When everything looks right, click Buy Now. You may be prompted to confirm your payment method and billing address. Review the order details one last time, then place the order. Shortly after, Amazon sends the e-gift card directly to the recipient's inbox with instructions on how to redeem it. If they don't see it, ask them to check promotions or spam folders. That's it. You've sent an Amazon gift card by email quickly, securely, and with a personal touch.